Andrea, how are you?
Fine.
So how have you been though?
I'm fine.
You look like you don't want to talk to me. You're not feeling too good. Oh, okay.
That's
I'm a nurse here. I understand you're a nurse. I can nurse you?
Repeat?
Understand you're a nurse. I can nurse you because you're not feeling too well.
Yeah.
I can.
Sure.
You say sure, but you're not even sure, you know. So you can tell us about our business. You know, what you like about it so far. What a shy look.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
shy
shy.
look. Nothing is wrong with being shy. But tell me something quick.
Okay, well, the first time I ordered, I had some issues and they contacted me.
Right.
And multiple times and were very patient in resolving my issues.
Good, so we'll follow through.
Yes, I must say good customer service and good communication.
All right, hear that? We feel really good about that. Good customer service, good communication. That is what Andrea likes about us. And of course, we're always aiming to do better. So anytime we slip up, just let us know and we're going to fix it.
Okay.
Pleasure doing business with you, all right?
Thank you.
Have a good one. And don't get worse than you are right now with the sickness.
Sure.
All right. Yes, we are on the delivery trail again. Kingston is where we are today. In this apartment complex, Dunrobin Court. You know, Dunrobin Court has been one of those apartments that's been about for almost forever. Stayed it for a bit back in the days. And this building, to be exact, been inside here forever. And of course, in beautiful Kingston, the sky is about to open any minute now, which you know will welcome the rain, because we're really blessed people right now.